Welcome back to Elektor TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Learning Digital Electronics Bundle, a complete hands-on package designed to help you understand and build real digital circuits. This bundle is available now on the Elektor store. Let's take a look at what's included in the bundle. We have the two main elements, the Learning Digital Electronics book and the 100-piece component kit. Starting with the kit, this includes a focused set of 74HC series logic integrated circuits used throughout the projects. AND, NAND, XOR, a binary counter, a shift register, and a GK flip-flop. There's also a CD4511 driver paired with a 7-segment display. For timing and control, you get a classic 555 timer plus a BC337 transistor for switching applications. Supporting components are well covered, a range of resistor from 1 kΩ up to 150 kΩ, capacitors for timing and filtering, and a set of LEDs in multiple colors for visual outputs. The kit also includes a light-dependent resistor for sensor-based projects. For prototyping, you have push-button switches, an active buzzer, a breadboard, and jumper wires. Everything you need to assemble working circuits. Power is handled via a battery holder for 3 AA cells. What's important here is that this is a complete matched kit. Every component corresponds directly to the project in the book. As you work through the chapters, you can build each circuit without needing to source additional parts. Everything is ready to use, so you can begin experimenting immediately. Now, let's take a look at the book. Learning Digital Electronics is structured as a practical guide, moving from fundamental concepts to complete working systems. The early chapters introduce number systems and base conversions, where you learn how decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal systems relate, and how to convert between them. This is followed by a chapter about logic gates, covering the essential building blocks such as NAND, OR, NOT, NAND, and XOR, and how digital signals are represented. From there, the book explores logic families, explaining how these circuits are physically implemented, including differences in speed, voltage, and power. Next, a chapter about Boolean algebra provides the mathematical tools needed to design and simplify logic circuits efficiently. The book then moves into combinational logic, where outputs depend only on current inputs, and shows how logic gates are combined to perform useful functions. Sequential logic is introduced with SR flip-flops, where circuits gain memory and depend on previous gate states. You'll then explore other flip-flop types, including D, GK, and T flip-flops, and how they are used in practical designs. Later chapters focus on digital counters, shift registers, and oscillators, which are essential in applications like timing, data storage, and signal generation. Finally, the book introduces clocked synchronous sequential circuit design, including Moore and Mealy models, providing a structured approach to designing complete digital systems. A key strength of this book is its project-based approach. With more than 20 structured projects, you move beyond theory and build real circuits, from simple LED logic setups to more advanced designs such as digital locks, display systems, and traffic light controllers. Some projects also incorporate tools like Circuitverse for simulation, allowing you to visualize and validate your design before building them. Overall, the bundle provides a well-rounded learning experience, combining theory, practical design, and hands-on experimentation. If you'd like to check it out, you can find the link in the description below. Whether you're starting out in digital electronics or reinforcing your fundamentals, it offers a clear and structured path to building real-world circuits. Thank you for watching Elektor TV, and we'll see you in the next video.